topic master, Toastmaster, and fellow Toastmasters. I agree with the point that there are a lot of money, which even the topic which one of us discussed about homeland security, a lot of money is involved in military. A lot of people are involved in military, and a lot of money is involved. But do we really need to spend so much? Probably it started in the last few years when America saw a few terrorist activities. That's when they felt there is a need for money in the military. And apart from that, the other point which I feel is when America came into existence, which was in 70s, from that time onwards, how Americans have come in this place and they have always learned that they need to fight for their right. They cannot live on their own. They need to fight for that. And from that point in time, I've seen that military has become a normal thing for Americans. Because if they had to fight with Europeans, with English people when they came here, they had to use military. When they had to fight within America, from the North America to the South America, because of the slavery and those issues, that is another time they needed military. So I think over a period of time, it's been 200 plus years when America is in existence. They have used military for different reasons, different fights, and to save themselves and to keep themselves going ahead and moving forward. I think that's the reason they have been doing this, and it is required for America to spend so much of money in military. Thank you.
Thank you.